thấy buffon.
Nathaniel!
Yo!
Holy,
Holy, where are we?
where are we, bro? It's beautiful, bro. Oh, look at it. Wow, man. So, bro,
Yo!
how did we get here?
I don't know. Last thing I remember was the truck was coming straight towards us.
So, in the car, eh?
Yeah.
This is beautiful, bro.
Do you look at that?
Ah, bro. Do you reckon we died in that car crash, bro?
Yeah, I think we did it.
Oh, bro. I had so much plans, bro. This week, this year. But we were supposed to go watch the Warriors game. Remember that, bro? No, we can't go watch it. It's all dead.
My sister's 21st coming up next week too.
Ah, that's right, bro.
I'm gonna miss it.
Ah, that's right.
Just nice ass.
Yeah,
place,
bro.
man.
I know.
Gee, how about that girl you're taking to the formal? What's her name again?
Christina.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Oh, Connie.
Connie, that's it, bro. That's the one. That's the one.
Now we can't go.
Yeah, man.
Gee, I love her.
Me too.
Nah,
Nah, yeah, bro. At least it's nice here, bro. Like, it's not ugly. Look at that. Look over here, bro.
oh,
Oh, man.
don't have that out there.
Bro, at least we got as best friends, eh?
Gee,
Look up there.
gee. Can you see that?
It looks like angels, bro. It looks like angels. What are angels doing here, bro? We're dead.
It is it.
We're dead, bro. There shouldn't be angels here.
I've got it. They come to take you.
Why are they taking you? Why are they not taking me?
Because I'm going to heaven. I'm a Christian.
You're a Christian.
Yeah.
You never told me you were a Christian.
I didn't think you were interested.
So you're going to heaven?
Yes.
I'll just come with you, bro. I'll just come with you.
So, Bruce, you're meant to accept Jesus when you were alive.
What? You never told me about Jesus.
Didn't think you were interested.
You never even told me you were a Christian.
Sorry.
So what, you're going to go all those times you had to tell me? All those times that we spent together, you had to tell me that you're a Christian. What's going to happen to me?
Sorry.
What's going to happen to me now, Fenyo? We're supposed to be best friends.
Sorry, bro.
They're going to kill me now, Fenyo. Why didn't you tell me about Jesus? Why didn't you tell me you're a Christian?
2 minutes.
Why didn't you tell me about Jesus? Why? Why? We're best friends. We knew each other for years. Why didn't you tell me about Jesus? I want to go to heaven too. Friends. We all have friends. Some of us have a lot, and some of us maybe have 2 or 3, maybe 10. The first challenge for us tonight is, have you told your friends? Have you? Because God wants us to tell. Go. Tell them. Tell your friends. At school, kids. At school. How many of your friends know you go to church on Saturday? Tell them. Tell them. Even if they don't believe